Today we will learn glow effect in Photoshop. Open the Photoshop. Duplicate the layer. Go to the adjustment layer, then click on the exposure. Ctrl+I for inverse. Take a brush tool. Fill the brush in the desired area. Go to the adjustment layer. Click on the solid color. Choose the color you want. Change multiply to linear dodge add. Ctrl+I for inverse. Take a brush tool. Flow must 10%. Fill the brush in the desired area. Your glow effect is ready now. Hope you like the video. Do like, share, and subscribe. And follow me for more Photoshop tutorials.